Let us now begin with the practical of Jyoti meditation. We have the flame, the Jyoti, in front of us. Let us sit up straight in a relaxed position, and we look at the flame with concentration. We practice each time looking at the flame. We should be steady, and in due course of time we gradually close our eyes. If we concentrate on the flame, we will be able to visualize the flame with our eyes closed. The light is pure. It is knowledge and wisdom. It is sacred. We bring this sacred flame close towards us when our eyes are closed. The flame comes close to us, and we take it at the center between the two eyes on our forehead. This is the place, we say, where the third eye is located. From this location, we now gradually take the flame within our body. First, it fills our forehead with a golden light of love and goodness. When the flame enters our body, we bring it down slowly through the passage of the throat up to the level of the heart, but in the middle of the body. This place is the location of our spiritual heart. Imagine our heart in the shape of a lotus bud. Our spiritual heart receives the warmth and the light of this loving flame, and its petals open up one by one. We bring the flame lower, and as the petals open out, the flame enters the middle of the lotus. Gradually, we see that the flower fades away, and all that we have at the level of the spiritual heart is the sacred flame of knowledge, deep in the niche of the spiritual heart, spreading its love and warmth all around. The light is within me. Now, I take this light to different organs of the body to make them sacred and pure. First, I take it up the way it came down earlier, through the throat, and take it to one of the eyes. Then I take it to the second eye and locate it in the middle of the two eyes. Now, both my eyes are lit up with the divine light. Jyoti, Netra Jyoti. Now we shall see only good around us. Swami says, see good, do not see bad. I now bring the Jyoti gradually down through the passage of the nose and place it on the tongue. Now my tongue is filled with pure light. It is sacred. May we all speak softly and lovingly. May we all sing in adoration of the Lord. May we eat and drink only healthy food and beverages. May we all grow in strength because of the food that we take in through this tongue, through the mouth. Swami says, speak good, do not speak evil. Now we take this light first to one ear and then to the other ear, purifying them. Both my ears have been purified now. I place the Jyoti in the middle of the two ears, right in the center of my brain. My ears have become pure. They have become loving. We shall now listen to good sounds only, devotional music, cheerful words, not bad music or criticism of others. Also, let my whole mind be filled with light of love. Swami says, hear good, do not hear bad. Think good, do not think evil. I now take this light gradually down through the throat towards one of the hands. From the shoulder down the arm, the Jyoti goes right up to the fingers. As the Jyoti goes, it warms us and purifies my sinews and bloods and flesh. Each finger, the thumb and the four fingers are purified. Now I take the Jyoti up gradually through the same passage and take it to the other shoulder, and it goes down right up to the five fingers of the other hand. Then I bring it up and place it between the two shoulders. Now my both hands are purified. They have both become sacred. Whatever work I do with my hands will be God's work, will be good work. Swami says, do good, do not do evil. Now I take that Jyoti gradually down through the stomach up to the level of the two legs. I take it to one of the legs and it goes down and down right up to the toes. It purifies them. It illumines them. I then bring it up and then take it to the other leg, right up to the toes, and bring it up. Now I place the Jyoti between the two legs. Now my both legs, both feet have become pure. My feet will take me to those places which are sacred. They will not take me to places where I should not be going. They will lead me to good places on a good path. I bring the Jyoti up now and place it right in the center of the spiritual heart, back to where it had started from. My whole body has become pure, enlightened, sacred, loving. I keep the Jyoti here for some time. Now any thought that comes should be pure and loving. In any case, as the thought comes, let the thought go. I am only a witness. I don't get entangled with the thought. Gradually, the thoughts will fade away. Less and less thoughts will come. More and more bliss will be enjoyed. And a time will come when there will be complete purity within, complete enlightenment. Jyoti tamasoma jyotirgamaya. Mrityonma amrutam gamaya. From darkness to light, from ignorance to knowledge, from death to eternal life. Let the Jyoti be here for some time. Let me experience the bliss within. If possible, we bring here Swami, who with his hand showing the Abhay Mudra and telling us, why fear when I am here? Swami is always within. Expansion of love. When the Jyoti is within us, in the center of our spiritual heart, full of love and enlightenment, it is time that we share this love with others. Imagine that this light is radiating from us outward, spreading to cover our whole body and beyond. We feel enveloped in the light of love. First, the light was in me. Now, I am in the light. This light expands to cover our near and dear ones, parents, brother, sister. If there are any animals and birds in our home, we see them surrounded in our love. Now, the light is expanding further to our friends, relatives, and other members of the community. Our love reaches even those with whom we quarrel, so that they become our friends. The hatred is diminished and vanished. The light is still spreading all around, enveloping the whole world, the whole cosmos. We feel that the warmth of love is all around. Only love, peace, happiness. First the light was in me, then I am in the light, and now the light and I are one. Total peace, total enlightenment, total bliss. If possible, we stay here for a few moments. Slowly, we withdraw the light and bring it back within ourselves. We keep it there for a while. Enjoy the calmness and the feeling of joy. And then again it is time to return. We carry the peace and joy within us throughout the day. Touch both palms together. Rub them slowly against each other. Bring them to rub gently against the closed eyes. And we open our eyes. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.